Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from Lindberg. This is from the Jurassic Park series. This is the Velociraptor or Raptor. So here on the front cover, we can actually see kind of a illustration background with actual photo of the finished model and a whole bunch of Jurassic Park logos. Again, Raptor, Velociraptor, over 15 inches long, over 6 inches high. And then plus de 15 inches de longueur, plus de 6 inches de hauteur. And again, modèle réduit. If we look on the sides, more photos of the finished item. It is rather long. And let's see here, multiple languages here, instructions in English and other languages. This is from 1993. And you can see here, this is also related to RPM. So continuing on this side. So this also has the 1992 time placement, but again, this is from 1993, the model itself. Here's some other models in the series. Barcode. Continuing. Bottom just has one number there. If we go ahead and open this up. Now what's interesting about this model is that there's actually multiple inserts, so you can get a copy from Lindberg at the time, and your basic instructions here. So they do fold out like so. Some background information, and then again multiple instructions in multiple languages, and again you can see their RPM. See here too, associated with Craft House for distribution with other kits and activity sets. That's pretty interesting. And that part with this is the paint guide. Some contact information there, and then your basic style of instructions. There are some text, numbers to match up the pieces. Not very many pieces. And again, the paint. And the other insert I thought was interesting is actually kind of an educational poster. So when the world was young, so it gives you kind of a outlook on historical knowledge at the time. You know, there have been other findings, of course, since the 1990s, but this is pretty cool nonetheless. A frameable poster because there's nothing on the other side. So yeah, you could frame this. Right now I've just kept this with the kit, and I do not recall whether or not this was ever finished. This does appear to be somebody else's work. There's no way I could have glued this well myself, and that is not exactly my glue style there either. So, but somebody did some pretty good work on at least these two sets of pieces right here. And just to give you an idea of the size of the creature without even the head, the feet, and the base. This is a fairly nice sized desktop or shelf display there once it'll be painted up, etc. Here's the original bag for the parts. Here's more parts trees. So you can see the base like here. More structure pieces there. This This looks like the tree for the already used pieces. Here's some other loose pieces. See, here would be the top of the head, another limb right there, and more limb pieces there. No decals, so it's up to you to paint it however you want to. And again, partially assembled. And this did come with a poster, the actual instructions, and the option to acquire catalog at the time. So taking a very quick look at something from Lindberg in association with RPM from the Jurassic Park series, the Velociraptor or Raptor. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.